Students, algebraic expression and identities, exercise 9.4, where we will see the multiplication of the binomials. Multiplication of binomials with the binomials and with the polynomials. So let us start with the question number 1. I will explain you some of the questions. 2x plus 5 is multiplied by 4x minus 3. Now here, while multiplication will have to take one by one. With this 2x, first we will multiply this 4x minus 3, and then with this 5 we will multiply this 4x minus 3. So one by one we will multiply it. This 2x multiplied by 4x minus 3 plus 5 into 4x minus 3. Now 2x into 4x is 8x square. Then 2x minus 3 is minus of 6x. 2 into 3 is 6. So this is minus of 6x. Plus, now 5 into 4x is 5 4s are 20x. Plus 5 into minus 3 is minus of 15. Now see that two of the terms minus 6x and plus 20x, they are having the same variable as x. So we can solve it. 20 minus 6. 20 minus 6 is 14x. So this is 8x square plus 14x minus 15. Now look at this question again carefully. This will help you in the chapter factorization. Here a binomial is multiplied with the binomial. We have multiplied it by one and then we got a trinomial. When binomials, two binomials, they are multiplied, we are getting a trinomials. Next question is 2.5L 2.5L minus 0.5N multiplied by 2.5L plus 0.5M. Again see that both the binomials, they are having the same term, only this plus sign changes to minus sign. Here the plus sign is there and here is the minus sign. So there is change in the sign and the terms, they are just alike. Now these are also multiplied one by one. So let us see. 2.5L multiplied by 2.5L plus 0.5M minus, now from this we will multiply it, minus 0.5M multiplied by 2.5L plus 0.5M. Now let us multiply this. 2.5 into 2.5. Now here 25 into 25. If you remember, the square of 25 is 625. Now for 2.5, 2 multiplied by 2.5, here two places of decimal is there, so this will be equal to 6.25 L square. 6.25 L square. Now 2.5 into 0.5 M. So 2.5 into 0.5 L M. I have not multiplied it, but written is in the multiplication form only. Now minus 0.5 M into 2.5 L. Now if you see carefully, then this term is plus and this term is negative. So both these will cancel off. So you need not to multiply, just write in the multiplication form. And now this 0.5 multiplied by 0.5. Now 5 5s is 25 and two places of decimal, so this is 0.25 M square. Now these two terms, this term and this term will both cancel like this, and remaining is this 6.25 L square minus 0.25 M square. So this is the answer. Now if you see carefully, then 2.5, the square of this and square of this is taken with the minus sign. So whenever two binomials are there, just only differing in the plus sign and minus sign, then you have to take the square of both the terms. Next is 3 upon 4a square plus 3b square and 4 into a square minus 2 upon 3b square. Now here 4 is multiplied and is common, so we can write it commonly in the first and then can multiply it. So this 4 I have written first and then the multiplication of both the binomials. Now one by one with this 3 upon 4a square you have to multiply this, and then from 3b square you have to multiply this. Now this 3 upon 4a square into a square. A square into a square is 8 to the power 4. 2 plus 2. The power gets added up. So 3 upon 4 a to the power 4 minus, now this 3 upon 4 a square, 3 upon 4 a square into minus of 2 upon 3 b square. So we will write this 3 upon 4 into 2 upon 3 first and then a square b square plus this 3b square into a square, that is 3a square b square minus 3b square into minus of 2 upon 3 b square. So first we will write the constant multiplication and then b square into b square is b to the power 4. Now this 3 will cancel with this 3 and this 3 will cancel with this 3. From 2 we will cancel off 4 2 times. So now this is equals to 4 multiplied by this 3 upon 4 a to the power 4 minus 1 upon 2 a square b square plus 3 a square b square minus this 2 b to the power 4. Now the 4 is multiplied inside. 4 is multiplied with the inside terms. So when 4 is multiplied to 3 upon 4, this 4 and this 4 will cancel off. So you can see that this 4 is multiplied by 3 by 4a square. Then the same 4 is multiplied to minus half a square b square. Then 4 is multiplied to this 3 a square b square, and then 4 is multiplied with this 2b to the power 4. Now just see, this 2 into 4 is 8, 4 into 3 is 12, and here we can solve it. This 4 can be cancelled by 2 times and 4 will cancel with this 4. Now this is equals to 3a to the power 4 minus 2a square b square plus 12a square b square. Both these terms, they are like with the like variables. So 12 minus 2 is 10. 3a to the power 4 minus this, solving this term, this is equals to plus 10a square b square minus 8b to the power 4. So this is the answer. Thank you.